Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health. Welcome to online class of English A. Yesterday we did the reading of page number 36 and 37. It's the unit number 4, Unforgettable Moments of My Life. Only the last paragraph is left. Let's read it out and then we will do post-reading question answers and then we will move towards the exercise. Soon our holidays ended. The days passed so quickly, but we were glad that we had restored our farmhouse to its original condition and enjoyed zip-line rides. The post-reading question is, what were the writer's feelings when he saw the burnt grass and wilted trees? Its answer is, the writer was shocked when he saw the burnt grass and wilted trees. The second question is, what did you feel when you read this story? Its answer is, at the start I felt bad at the poor condition of the farmhouse, but later on I was happy to read that the farmhouse was restored. Now let's move towards exercise A, oral communication, learning the sounds. This exercise is related to diphthongs. First of all, let's know what are diphthongs. A diphthong is a combination of two vowel sounds or letters in a single syllable. The sound begins with one vowel and moves towards another. For example, soil, plane, cow. These words have the combination of two vowel sounds. Read the given sentences and pronounce the diphthongs. In August, I am going to Hunza with my family. Here, August is having diphthong. They arrived in the town. Here, town is with a diphthong. My elder brother bought a new bag of fertilizer. Here, bought has diphthong. We love to see birds flying in the sky. Here, flying has diphthong sound. His grandparents' farmhouse had tall, dense trees with a lush, grassy floor. Here, house. In the farmhouse, house is a word with diphthong sound. The next exercise is read the lesson again and circle 5 words with diphthongs. Make sentences with the words in your notebook. Let's find out the diphthongs from the lesson. The word year, it has diphthong. Excited, it also has diphthong. Around and surrounding. These are the words with diphthongs on page number 36. Now let's find out a few more diphthongs on page number 37. On page number 37, the word there, everywhere, poor, these are the words which have diphthongs. Now you have to use 5 of them in sentences of your own and write them in your notebooks. Second exercise is learning to speak. Read and practice the given dialogue. You will practice this dialogue with your siblings or your friends. Let's read it out. Miss Rabia. Assalamu alaikum students. Our school is going to organize a tree plantation activity. Are you ready for it? Dina. Ma'am, can you tell us why we need to plant trees? Miss Rabia. Sure. We need to plant trees because trees help us in many ways. They provide oxygen, control levels of carbon dioxide in the air, help to maintain the ecological balance, provide home to birds, and prevent soil erosion. Essen, thank you ma'am for this valuable information. Miss Rabia, students, let's go to the garden and plant trees. Students, okay ma'am. Practice this dialogue with your fellows or friends. Next exercise is get students into pairs and ask them to share some information and instructions from a tourist guide. You can do this activity with your friends or siblings. I will read a chunk from Lahore Tourist Guide for you. Let's read the chunk. When to go to Lahore? The best time to go to Lahore is from September to October as the weather becomes a little cooler than the midsummer. The hiking trails in North Pakistan are still open also, so you will still have a chance to go up north and hike around Gilgit-Baltistan province after. Now let's move towards exercise B, reading and critical thinking. Reading comprehension. Answer these questions. The first question is, what happened to the grandfather's farmhouse? Its answer is, the farmhouse was in very poor condition. There were bushes and burnt yellow grass. The tall dense trees had wilted. The second question is, how did the writer restore his grandparents' farmhouse? Its answer is, the writer with his siblings took different responsibilities to restore the farmhouse. They planted new trees, bought fertilizers, watered the plants, and took care of nests. Next question is, how can you restore a garden in your surroundings? Answer this question yourself. The next exercise is, look at the picture and notice the use of positions and directions in the sentences given below. The first sentence is, the birds are flying in the air. Here in is position word. The rabbit is sitting under the tree. Here under is a position word which shows and tells the position of the rabbit. The third sentence is, the girl is ziplining above the pond. Here above is the position word. The fourth sentence is, the boy is standing in front of the pond. Here in front of is the word that shows the position of the boy. The frog is sitting on a lotus leaf. Here on is position word. And the last sentence is, the sun is between the clouds. Here between is a word that shows or tells the position of the sun. Now students, you have to practice, read and solve all the exercises. I hope you have understood today's lesson. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.